1-6 count.
Maddie.
Peter.
We started today by reviewing some stuff that we did before. We talked specifically followers about doing our basic in sort of a neutral way where we don't have a direction associated with it. We want to dance right underneath ourselves so that we can listen and react to what the leads are beating.
Yeah, that really helped with like the cuddle, for example. We show her like Maddie's just dancing in place. When I go rocks it, but I bring her this way, she doesn't care, she's cool, she's cruising, but if she's a little bit going side to side, for example, remember how that makes a little bit of a tricky moment there where we're fighting each other. So we worked on that, y'all did that definitely better, and then we did a bunch of stuff that used that and we danced in place. So we did, tuck turn here, rock, so do this way. Triple, rock, step, triple step, open, close, turn. Remember, all of us should have some boings attached, like boing, boing, around we go. Do the same thing, shake your hands. Boing, boing, around we go. Followers, if you can remember, you can practice this step. Rock, step, triple turn, triple step. Let's do it together this way so they can see us. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, triple turn, triple step. There's a little spin spot at the end of that first triple. You have to power yourself if you're practicing it, so it's not really great for partnering. It's just good for you to feel good turning and getting that spin spot underneath you. So if you want to try it, feel free. Next week.